Hey there, it's Pete with GCI Turf. Hope you're having a great day today. And I'm in Orrville, Ohio, up here with the Ventrac crew. And I got a really cool invite to come up here and help them work on the yard. And
hey there, it's Aaron.
And I got my boy Aaron here.
What's up, man?
I'm good, you?
Pretty good.
Good. They asked me to come up and help them, and absolute chance of a lifetime, so I couldn't turn that down. And army worms have
destroyed us. Yeah.
Hurt this yard.
Yeah,
so
problems here.
We got topsoil, we got 4 Ventracs, including the new 4520, which is absolutely off the hook. And we're gonna power rake, spread topsoil, aerovate, put some GCI Cool Blue seed down, and have a good time today. And then we'll make sure we eat some supper tonight. And then
that's right.
What more could you ask for?
Last step is always eat.
That's right.
Yeah.
So we're gonna get at it. Now back here is kind of like where they do like some parties and maybe some family time where they just kind of hang out with the family. And the grass is kind of okay back here. It's got some, some is pretty good. The main thing is the ground's uneven. We actually want to keep some of this grass, so we're going to put like a light coating of topsoil over everything and then just kind of lightly power rake it. The objective is to get it flattened out and smoothed out for mowing purposes, but we want to keep some of the existing grass, so we'll see how that goes.
I think I could beat you in a foot race, but that might be it.
I'll wrestle you, but I'm not going to race you. How about that?
I'll do one and one.
Well, we'll probably tie.
Okay, that's fine with me.
We'll
I
go.
just can't lose 2.
No, that's right. Yeah, there's no way I'm outrunning you. No way. Been out here all day, working, getting it done, and it looks quite a bit better, wouldn't you say?
I think it looks
Got a lot of good fresh topsoil out there and graded down, slicked down. We're going to seed it with a Cool Blue. That's 85% tall fescue, 15% Kentucky bluegrass. I'm going to go down with a protein starter. I always like a starter fertilizer with some phosphorus to, once those seeds germinate, it's there for the roots. They can take it in and start going. Gives them a great head start. Maybe we'll get some rain. This is non-irrigated, so we'll keep our fingers crossed on that. And you'll have to come back and do a little snapshot on it. Oh heck, I'll just come back up here.
There you go.
I'll come up here and do a snapshot. So
I won't keep you from doing that.
Yeah, I'm good with that. So we're going to aerovate it. We're going to seed it with the spreader, and then we're going to take the aerovator and work it in. And I'm going to actually put a little bit of seed in the aerovator box itself, the seed box. That way we put just a little light dusting on top.
We used power rake, landscape rake.
What did we not use? Would it be better to do that?
Probably. Buckets. We got a blade out at one point. All kinds of stuff. We have a loader.
I'm going to give you idea of the day.
Yeah.
That was really cool.
What?
The blade, the snow
gonna
blade.
give it back to you and say loader to bucket was even better.
Okay, we'll go with that.
All right.
Yeah.
Cool. All right.
Cool.
Anything left to say?
I'm good.
All right. Let's get it seated and get out of here.
When supper.
Soon.
Okay.
What time is it? It feels like supper time.
Yeah, that's right. Let's hurry up so we can eat. Well, that's a fun day.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
I agree.
Sorry about that belt I broke. I didn't mean to do
We
that.
didn't tear much up. We one belt. I think we hit a canopy, crushed a little corner. Whatever.
Yeah.
Anyway, pretty good day. All this.
That's right. Well, there you go. I made it back home safe and sound from Ohio. I had a fantastic time. I cannot get over how polite and kind all the Ventrac folks are. You guys rock. They give me a shout and say, hey, we got a yard with armyworm damage. Can you come help us out? It'd be cool to make a video and I could get some footage. And it just worked out real good. And you know, the biggest thing about the whole trip was they fed me. You know, you always heard that saying, we'll work for food. Well, that's all it really takes for me. I went up there running Ventrac all day, helped them out with that. Then they bought me lunch and supper, and that's really all it takes for me. So, hey, as always, I appreciate you taking time out of your day to watch. I'll check you later.